Well, good morning, everyone. Chapo out and about here in the beautiful Blue Mountains. It's early morning, started about 5:30. But what I wanted to bring you was the magic of the sounds of the bush. Now, what I'll do, I'm basically in training at the moment for the UTA 100 kilometre event, which happens in May. But I'll swing this around. You're just going to be looking at the bush, but I want you to listen. This is without doubt one of the greatest birds in the Australian bush. He's a trickster, a mimicker. He impersonates. It's the lyrebird. It's just one bird making that noise. Take a listen. How good is that? It's impossible to get down to show you the lyrebird because that's about a 200-metre drop. He'd probably be just down on that riverbank. Amazing stuff. Listen to that. That's the black cockatoo sound. It really is an incredible bird. If you're watching this, I hope I've inspired you to get out and about, get up while the weather is okay, do walks and runs and whatever you can do. Have a great day.